My name is Philip Muchungu, and this is my mother. She's Lucia Nisere. I'm recording this from SGVP Hospital, Ahmedabad, India. We came here 4 days ago because my mother, who is 82 years of age, has been having a problem with her hip replacement. And for 12 years, she has had a lot of problems. We were referred to this hospital by a friend of mine. SGVP Hospital is in Ahmedabad. It is a faith-based hospital of the Hindu community, and it is very professional. They deal with both conventional medicine, Ayurveda, and allopathy. We were treated very well right from the time we were in Nairobi. We got a letter. The letter was to the embassy. It helped us getting the medical visas. And the medical visas was for the patient, who is my mother, and also myself as the attendant, and my sister. From there, we arrived at the airport, Ahmedabad airport, and we were received by the hospital driver, who took us to the guest house where we are staying. The following day, we were checked into the hospital. The vitals were taken, blood, and tested. The next day, the operation procedure was done. It was quite a long procedure. It took about, from the time it started to the time Mom left the theater, was about 3 hours. But what was surprising is that after 3 hours, she was alert. And in 5 hours, from the time the procedure was concluded, she was able to make the first steps. And now she's able to walk through support to the bathroom. And this is just on the 3rd day. We are grateful to the hospital for all the good work they have done. Everybody is great, from the driver, the reception. We found people waiting for us. The nursing care is good. Here, unlike in other hospitals, you are treated by all the doctors. They come, they discuss on the best solution. The food is great. They make food according to your taste. My mother does not like spicy food, and she was worried about spicy food. But now they are able to give her food that is not spicy. The nursing care is outstanding. We have a team of nurses and nurse aides who are attending to her on round the clock, 24 hours. We are really, really grateful to SGVP Hospital, and would recommend our friends, anybody with this kind of a problem or any other. The hospital is equipped with all kind of equipment, X-rays. It has got sonography facilities. It has got all kind of equipment, and they use traditional healing and also the conventional Western medicine, and we are happy. Thank you.
SGVP Holistic Hospital, एलोपैथी, आयुर्वेद एवं योग।